This video is to show you how to rename the Live TV app on your Roku Smart TV. Starting at the home screen, use the arrows on the remote control to highlight the Live TV app and then press the star key. This menu pops up. You're going to select Rename Input. Now, Live TV is the default setting. And then you can choose a different icon and label for the app. There's tuner, antenna TV, broadcast TV, cable, satellite. You can even rename your own custom label here. We're not going to do that though. We'll just use antenna TV. There you go. Now it's called antenna TV. And this tip will be helpful for those of you that have an over-the-air TV antenna connected to your Roku Smart TVs and you're receiving your local off-air channels as well. This should make it easier for you to find them.